Ali, you don't want to go home today?
I wanted to listen to Surah Ikhlas. You asked me to stay.
Oh yes, let's start with recitation.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul huwallahu ahad, Allahus samad, lam yalid wa lam yulad wa lam yakul lahu kufuwan ahad.
Allah told Prophet peace be upon him, to inform everyone who worship
the sun, the magicians, the kings, the idols. There is no God but Allah, the only one, owner of universe, owner of the entire world.
He has
no son, no daughter, no father, no mother, nor he was born from anyone.
So he has no siblings, no family.
Yes, absolutely correct.
There is no one like him that is forever.
What did you understand?
That he is the only one. No one is like him.